This question is from GATE 2017. This is from algorithms. We have two columns and we have to match those two columns. Now the first thing we have is Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm is used for computing the minimum spanning tree of a graph. Now in Kruskal algorithm, what we do is we first try to find out the minimum edge from a graph, and then we add it to the minimum spanning tree of the corresponding graph. So as we are trying to find out the minimum edge, that is the greedy approach. So this algorithm should be mapped with greedy, right? Now quick sort is a sorting method where we first divide the problem into some small problems, then we try to sort those small problems, then we will get the ultimate solution. So this is nothing but the divide and conquer approach, where we divide a long problem into some smaller problems and we try to conquer those problems. That means we try to solve those problems to get the ultimate solution. So the quick sort belongs to the divide and conquer method. Now the Floyd-Warshall, obviously one option is remaining. It is nothing but dynamic programming. Floyd-Warshall algorithm is used to determine the all pair shortest path problem. So this approach is used, or this algorithm uses a dynamic programming approach to solve the all pair shortest path problem. So what is the answer? Kruskal should be mapped with greedy, quick sort should be mapped with divide and conquer, and Floyd-Warshall algorithm should be mapped with dynamic programming.